Good morning, peeps. Welcome back to day 3 of the vlog. You've had the moving in. You haven't had the unpacking because I had a call this morning from JIT Storage to say that they will not be unpacking my shit until next week. The lovely lady here is just after bringing me orange juice and fresh coffee. I love it. I'm out for my breakfast, lads. On the grounds that I have no cooker. I have no cooker. I have no microwave. I have no toaster. I have no fridge that works properly. Well, I have a fridge, but we won't go into the whole fridge situation. There will be a rant done in the next vlog. Orange juice. Food in here is fabulous. It's called the Granuale, I think it's spelled Granuaile. It's located in the middle of Kinnegad, County Westmeath. Food is lovely. Before I actually rang them, I looked at the reviews online. So hopefully, lads, if you are in the area of Westmeath, give this place a shot. Coffee is great, so is the orange juice. But anyway, as I was saying, no cooker, no microwave, no toaster. Life's a bitch, so I am eating out. I had a good breakfast this morning. I think this is €9 and it's huge. This is a mini breakfast, right? A mini breakfast is 2 bacon, 2 sausage, an egg, white pudding, black pudding, and as much toast as you can possibly fit into your mouth. As in, I'll give you an idea. There you go, guys. And I've already had 2 pieces out of that. I can't eat anymore. I'm stuffed like the turkey on Christmas morning. So, excuse me. So I still have my coffee to finish and my orange juice.
How did you get on, alright?
Orange juice, coffee, and then I will be vlogging when I get back home. I have to start just to redo a few bits that I did already. I want to go in and redo the bathroom because although it's clean, I'm reluctant to have anybody in until I clean it again. So it's like 2 goes of the flora and bleach. So clean as a whistle. Anyway, I've also got to find a window guy to come out, and my windows are very stiff. They'll open, they'll close, but they're very stiff, lads. They're very, very stiff. So it means that Arnie Schwarzenegger would have trouble closing the window in the kitchen. Even the Bionic Man would have struggled to close this window. I can't close it, so I need to get someone out with some WD-40 or whatever it is they use to oil up the links on it. Right, so I'm going to go. I will be filming again later, and if anything else happens, I purchase anything. I have a big haul coming: houseware haul, household haul, clothes haul, makeup haul. I've done a bit of shopping, not a whole lot, a little bit, and a little bit of makeup to show, but most of it's household shit. So I will show you all that in the next part of the vlog. So until later, goodbye, God bless, and I'll see you all in the morning. There you go now, lads. I'm going to scoff this. I'll show you the main course in a short while. Okay, peeps. It's time for the main course. Watch this. That's half a fucking cow, guys. I'm going to get in there and scoff it, and I'll be back with dessert. Back again, folks. Vlog the dessert. Check this out. Apple crumble with hot custard, and I mean hot custard. This is all going to work out about €19 for a 3-course meal. Early bird special, Scanlon's, Kinnegad. If you're passing by, check it out, lads. Well worth the money. Okay, folks, that's it for now. Vlog over. Talk to yous in a rant in a couple of days. See you in my next video. Bye.